Hello students, this is Dr. Shilpa Kapoor, Professor Physics, Oriental College of Technology. Today we are discussing the topic Introduction to Optical Fiber. Brief flow of presentation. Introduction. What are optical fibers? Structure of optical fiber. Working principle of optical fiber. Classification of optical fibers. Advantage, disadvantage of optical fiber. Application of optical fiber. Introduction. As we all know, light plays an important role in everyday lives. Light is used in optoelectronics and optical fiber telecommunication for data transmission. It allows for computer and telephone lines to be connected to one another by optical fiber cables. It found application in many areas such as optical fiber lasers, optical fiber interferometers, sensors, and optical fiber modulators. In medicine, light is used for image productions, which are used in hospitals, and lasers that execute eye surgery. What is optical fiber? An optical fiber is a hair-thin cylindrical fiber of glass or any transparent dielectric medium. The fiber which are used for optical communication are waveguides made of transparent dielectrics. Its function is to guide visible and infrared light over long distance. Structure of optical fiber. It is clear from the figure that the innermost layer is the core, the layer which surrounds the core is the cladding, and the outer jacket is to protect the fiber. Now we know the definition of core, cladding and buffer jacket or buffer coating. Core. Core is a central tube of very thin size made up of optical transparent dielectric medium and carries the light from transmitter to the receiver. The core diameter can vary from about 5 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Cladding. Cladding is the outer optical material surrounding the core having refractive index lower than core. It helps to keep the light within the core throughout the phenomena of total internal reflection. Buffer coating. It is the plastic coating that protects the fiber made of silicon rubber. The diameter of fiber after coating is 250 to 300 micrometer. Working principle of optical fiber. The optical fibers are work on the principle of total internal reflection. Now we know what is total internal reflection. When a ray of light travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium such that the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, the ray reflects back into the same medium. This is known as total internal reflection. As it is clear from the figure that in the optical fiber, the rays undergo repeated total number of reflections until it emerges out of the other end of the fiber, even if fiber is bent. Classification of optical fiber. The optical fiber is classified into two categories based on first, the number of modes, second, the refractive index. On the basis of number of modes, it can classify into single mode fiber and multi-mode fiber. On the basis of refractive index, it is classified in two categories, step index optical fiber and graded index optical fiber. On the basis of number of modes, single mode optical fiber. In single mode fiber, only one mode can propagate through the fiber as shown in the figure. It has small core diameter 5 micrometer and high cladding diameter nearly 70 micrometer. The difference between the refractive index of core and cladding is very small. There is neither dispersion nor degradation. Therefore, it is suitable for the long distance communication. The light is passed through the single mode fiber through laser diode. Second, multi-mode optical fiber. The figure shows the multimode optical fiber, in which we can see that there are large modes of the light which travels through the multimode optical fiber. So in multimode optical fiber, it allows a large number of modes for light ray traveling through it. The core diameter is large, nearly 40 micrometer, and that of cladding is 70 micrometer. The relative refractive index difference is also large than single mode fiber. There is a degradation due to multimode dispersion. Therefore, they are not suitable for the long distance communication due to the large dispersion and attenuation of signal. On the basis of refractive index, they are classified in two categories: step index optical fiber and graded index optical fiber. The figure shows the step index optical fiber and graded index optical fiber. Step index optical fiber. In step index optical fiber, the refractive index of the core and cladding are constant. The light ray propagates through it in the form of meridianal ray, which cross the fiber during every reflection at the core cladding boundary. Second, graded index optical fiber. In this type of optical fiber, the core has non-uniform refractive index that gradually decreases from the center towards the core cladding interface. The cladding has uniform refractive index. The light rays propagate through it in the form of the helical rays. They never cross the fiber axis. Advantage: immense bandwidth to utilize, total electrical isolation in the transmission medium, very low transmission loss, small size and lightweight, high signal security, very low power consumption and wide scope of system expansion. Disadvantage: the system installation is very costly. Only point-to-point communication is possible. Precise and costly instruments would be required. Splicing time is consuming. It accepts only unipolar core. Applications: the optical fibers have wide range of application in almost all the field. Some are specified below. It is used in the telecommunication field, in broadband applications, civil, consumer and industrial application. As shown in figure, they are also used in the military applications, in the decorations, in medical field. One for the light to illuminate the inside of patient as shown in the figure, and second, another for a camera to send the images back to doctor, which is also shown in the figure. Thank you.